Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to look like this, I don't know, you might want to watch. It's cute. I'm just kidding. No, but for real, can you watch it? Also, if you want to go ahead and subscribe, click that button below. And also, if you want to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, it's at Mahogany. I do have a TikTok, but yeah, y'all like, look, them dances take 2 hours. So I'll hit you guys up with that real soon. All right, just stay tuned and voila, you'll see this. Period.
So we're going to start off with the eyes. First, I'm going to put the Too Faced Eye Insurance Primer on my lids just for extra security for the eyeshadow. And then for extra security, I'm going to put the LOE Pro Girl Color and Fun right on top of that so the eyeshadow sticks perfectly. Now I'm going to be using James Charles palette. The first color I'm going to put in my crease is called Daddy. And you just want to take that, put it in the crease, and then cover the entire lid with it as well. Now I'm going to be blending out the green color with Social Blade from the same palette. So with this, you want to pack it on. You don't necessarily want to brush it on until the very end. So just pack it on all the way into your inner corner and then blend it. And now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye, of course. Now I'm going to be using Fly Liner from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to apply a very thin line. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my lashes ready. I believe these are from AliExpress. They were a gift. But first I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on from KKW Beauty while the glue on my lashes is kind of settling in. Then I'm going to plop those babies on with my fingers because that's just what I do. And then put the mascara on. Now we're going to start with the face. I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover Primer just to prep the skin for the foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to be using Too Faced Born This Way and the color Caramel, and I'm just going to blend that out. Next, I'm going to apply my LA Pro Girl Concealer just to like my cheekbones, etc. The T-zone. I don't know, y'all. I'm just going to put it on my face. Then I'm going to blend it out. And that's it for that, I guess. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Full Coverage Foundation in the cover, I'm going to butcher this, Tanzania. Oh, it's 205. Not necessarily for contour, but just more dimension on the face. And then I'm just going to blend it in with my sponge and my brush. I'm going to use my Beauty Bakery. Why did I have that upside down? My Beauty Bakery flower in the color Casanova. Now I'm using my NYX liner in the color Espresso just to line my lips. And for the lip color, I'm going to be using Morphe True Story Liquid Matte Lipstick. And one last time, I'm just going to apply some more liner. I'm just going to brush away the excess setting powder that I have. Now to create the halo, I'm going to take the last color, or the dark green color, Daddy, from the same palette and put it on my lower eyelid. And then I'm going to put the other color, Social Blade, I think, Lord, right under it as well. Now I'm going to take the same KKW mascara and put it on my lower lashes just to complete the look. For blush, I'm going to be using this Sephora palette. It doesn't really have the names of the colors on it, so I'm not sure. But this orangey color, and I'm going to just pat it on my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil in the color Mimosa Sunrise. Now on top of the Fenty Beauty highlighter, I'm going to place this Sephora highlighter. Like I said, these palettes don't have the names, so the little gold one that's in the second row. To set the face, I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Then I'm just going to wave my hand so it dries faster. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share.